Look, I'm just a geologist. I like rocks. I love rocks.
Just to reiterate, in case you're a new listener or you just don't know what the word uniformitarianism it means, basically uniformitarianism can be summed up with the statement of the present is the key to the past and vice versa. Essentially, the processes that happen on Earth now have always happened on Earth. For the most part, there are some exceptions. I guess we can dive into that a little bit. But basically, the tides go in, the tides go out. It's always happened.
Can you explain that?
These are the days of our lives.
There's always been gravity. They're just kind of the general basics. Have always been occurring on Earth. Now, there are some things that have changed over time. For example, the rotation of the Earth is actually slowing down, and we can see that the days used to be shorter. Yeah, that's how the days used to be shorter in the ancient past. And then there's also some things about like the moon is actually orbiting away from the Earth, and the moon used to be much closer to the Earth. And so when that happened, there was a greater tidal range. Your tides were basically bigger. So there are some like quirky things like that.
The atmosphere has changed.
Yeah. There wasn't always life on Earth. Not on Earth. There wasn't always life on land, and so there's no vegetation or anything like that. And so, I guess erosion was a little different when there was no vegetation anchoring down your landscapes. And so, as far as I'm concerned, uniformitarianism it's a great concept. It's
great. It's the best.
It's awesome. It's good. But there's I mean, like anything else, any other principle, there's some exceptions to the rule.
No, but the basics of it hold.
Yeah.
So no, we're not getting away from it. What was that new term you were talking about earlier?
Actualism.
Actualism. I actually don't like that term.
Yeah, no, I do not care for it.
You don't care for what, actualism or uniformitarian?
Actualism.
Yeah. But actualism only applies, or it doesn't apply as broadly as uniformitarianism, though.
Yeah, I think it's a good concept, and it can go both ways. I mean, we can look at stuff that happened in the past, and actually, that's a lot of the research for climate change is looking at, the last time the Earth heated up, like it's doing right now. What happened? What was going on?
Allegedly.
Well, we use what we see today to explain the past. The present is the key to the past. But then we look at the past to see how, when there was change, how the Earth responded. So, the present is the key to the past, but the past is the key to the future.
And we got to get back to the future.
All right.